Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. Now I do hope that everybody's had a great day. Whatever time you're watching this, I hope you're having a good one. And I just want to say that I appreciate all of you. So, all right. Let's get into this. This came from Diamondartgift, and they asked me if I would do another unbagging for them, because I've done one in the past, and I said sure. So, let's go ahead and get into this. And y'all, I really don't remember what I got from them. I had to go look, because it's been a minute, because I didn't know this, but apparently they have been on holiday. So, yeah, I guess that's why it took so long to get any of the packages, is because they were doing some kind of holiday. So, but it's here and all is well. So, alright, so you can see that this comes with your regular toolkit. It's got your green boat, your pink wax, and your pink single placer pen. Alright, now this is just an itty bitty, but I thought he was so cute. And it is poured glue, and as you can see, it is special shape. So I'm just gonna do it back. So it's just a little 15 by 15 special shaped. I don't know if this would be considered a special shape, a bubble round, I don't know. But I just thought it was cute. And, you know, sometimes these little ones are just as fun as the big ones. And they also give you a break from the bigger canvases. So, but it's very clear. And you can see it's little girl chicken. She's got a little hair bow up there. And look, she's got a little curly cue up there on her hair. She's got a pair of glasses on. And then she's got a flower over here in a pot. So, and she's got a little heart right there. But I really thought this was cute. And let's look at these real quick. Since there's not that many of them. Alright, so here is the pink, which I'm sure this is what goes around the glasses. And then, does that have, whoop, yes, this is number 1. So there are, let's see, alright, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 colors in this teeny tiny little canvas. So, alright, we have got pink crystals. And then we have got the just white, round. And we've got like a large, a medium, and a small. And then we've got the gold or yellow, whichever y'all want to say that is. I think it's gold. But we have a large, a medium, a small, and a tiny. And then we have like a very, 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 very pale yellow. And then a pink. And then clear. Another pink. Green, another gold, and then we have black, and look, there's a white one in there. So yeah, that's a lot of colors for this little bitty thing. Let me get these folded back up. Let's stick them back in here real quick. So I want to say thank you to Diamondartgift for sending these to me again and letting me show y'all what they have, because I really appreciate it. Very sticky. That's like really sticky. All right. So on their website, Diamondartgift has got this listed as a full crystal chick. Now on their website, it says it's an 18 by 18 centimeter. The whole thing is an 18 by 18. Just the drill field is going to be the 15 by 15. So this is $3.99 on Diamond Art Gift's website. But yeah, if y'all can see, very clear, very cute. All right, so I'm going to set that right there. And the next thing I got was a notebook. Now, I've never done one of these before, and I've wanted one, but it's like I see them, and I think, oh, they're cute, and then I'm like, well, you have notebooks, why do you need another one? But then I seen this one, and I was like, oh, I got to get that one. So, this one says, Grandkids Warm Our Hearts, and I thought that was really cute, and it is Christmassy. But it is a mug of chocolate, or hot chocolate, I guess. And it's got marshmallows in it, and it's got some peppermint sticks, and it's got some peppermints down here, and a cookie. And it's just blank sheets of paper. So I thought that was pretty neat. And I wasn't sure what the paper was going to look like. I didn't know if it'd be blank or if it would have lines. So, and it's like it feels like a leather, but, you know, it's like that fake leather, like a pleather. Very sticky, and it's a partial, so it's only sticky where you need to put the drills. All right. So, again, just a regular toolkit. Now, this is listed on their website as a DIY notebook, Art Craft A5 partial drill wireless strip for gift. And it is $7.99 on Diamond Art Gift's website. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 8 colors. So we've got red and green. We've got clear. We've got some black. We've got another shade of green. Some pink. And then there's some more like a orangey red. And then we've got some larger clear. So now on these, what you do is each bag is numbered 1 through whatever, or it'll have letters on it, you know, A, B, C. So what you do is everywhere on here that has a 1, you'll put the drills that correspond with that number. So again, I thought this was cute, and I've never done a notebook. I've never had one. So I thought, well, I really like this. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to grab one. So I'm going to try to adjust my light. But it's very clear. You can read it. But I thought that was really cute. Very cute. All right, so the last thing that I have in the bag all right, so I seen these and I thought it was very pretty, so I got it. And it is a pen, and it's the newer ones that they have been showing, and it's got like, I'm going to bring y'all down so that the light is better. But it's got like flakes of, I don't know if it's confetti or like teeny tiny little flowers, it kind of looks like. But I mean, they're confetti flowers. But I thought this was very pretty, and it's got a single placer on one end and looks to be like a 7-placer on the other. And this is on their website as a DIY point drill pin. Now, this was $5.99, so that's not bad at all. But this one, there's a bunch of them that are new to the websites. And this one is the lighter, I guess the one that's lighter looking in the pictures. But I thought that was very pretty. And I thought it would be pretty to do these with. So, but yeah, I really like that one. So, just a little recap. We've got the little tiny baby chicken. And it's a bubble round. And it's a special drill. Full crystal. And it is $3.99. And then we have the notebook. And it is a partial special drill for $7.99. And then we have the drill pen for $5.99. So, and again, I just want to say thank you to Diamondartgift for letting me show these to y'all. I really and truly appreciate it. And if y'all go on their website, I'm going to leave a link to these products in my description box. And right now, for a limited time only, y'all, we don't know what that limited time is, but it's a limited time only. It is 70% off shipping, okay? That can save you a lot right there, especially if you don't, get a whole bunch. Maybe you just want what I got. I don't know how much the shipping would be, but 70% off of it, that's good. And then also it's store-wide, buy 3, get 1 free. So you're going to put 4 items in your cart, and one of those items are going to be free. But of course, you know that it's going to be the cheapest item in your cart. That's going to be your free thing. So don't think that you're going to get, a big size canvas that's like $10 that's going to be your freebie, because it won't. It'll be the cheapest item in your cart will be your freebie. So I say, if you want to get something for free, then make sure they all are the same price. So, all right. Anyway, I just want to thank Diamondartgift again for letting me show this stuff to y'all. Hopefully, I'll be able to work with them again and show you some more stuff. And until my next video, I hope everyone is well, and I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.